It is Diwali, the festival of lights and eternal hope, the season where consumer demand generally picks up. So the question is the demand momentum good this season, and how much will it actually impact the profit and loss of consumer goods players like Whirlpool and Voltas? We have two gentlemen who join us, Shantanu Dasgupta, Vice President Corporate Affairs and Strategy at Whirlpool, and Pradeep Bakshi, the COO at Voltas. Gentlemen, morning to both of you. Mr. Dasgupta, I want to just start off with you. What is the sense that you're getting as far as demand this festive season is concerned? Is it as good as it was, say, a couple of years back?
Well, it's certainly a vast improvement over a couple of years back. I think the run-up to this Diwali, as well as the sales that we're seeing this week, is far more positive than we have seen over the last 2-3 years, when the slowdown actually took effect way back in 2011. So far it is positive, and we hope that even the few days after Diwali will remain to be quite buoyant.
Okay. Shantanu, when we spoke to you, I think it was a day before Onam, and you said that, people are barely looking into the shops at that time, and that we should check out with you after Diwali when the festival season kind of formally ends. How will you, can you give us a percentage? You of course had, both of you, Voltas and Whirlpool, had a scintillating first quarter in terms of air conditioner sales, which probably was because of the slightly longer monsoon. But would you say that this year is like a good 25% better than last year?
Well, let me say that the first quarter results were a factor of good volume growth that came in after many quarters, plus the price increases, the impact of price increases, plus a good mix. So there were several factors there. Coming to Onam wasn't that good this year. So there was a bit of trepidation with respect to how Diwali would go. But they're in two different areas of the country, and anyway, we were expecting things to improve. And indeed it has. So if you ask me, Diwali has been far more positive than was Onam way back in August, and that bodes good for the future, because it suggests that perhaps things are turning around as far as growth is concerned.
Mr. Bakshi, how good has been your Diwali or your festive season sales? Your second quarter and third quarter will be what, 25% better than last year? Can you give us a number, Mr. Bakshi?
Yeah, thank you, Lata, for this opportunity you have provided me to talk to our viewers. At the outset, I'd like to wish you all and our viewers a very, very happy, safe and prosperous Diwali. Yes, coming back to the question which you asked me about how the festival season has been turning around for us. Having seen first quarter very good, as Shantanu has also spoken about, our sales have been quite good. In fact, industry has gained quite a lot. In fact, there's been a double-digit growth as far as air conditioners and consumer durable categories are concerned. Most of the categories have grown in this period because of extended summers. And also, festival season has been looking quite promising. In fact, it has also, festival season this time has also coincided Diwali with the second summers in quite a few parts of the country, in fact, west and south part of the country. So all in all, it's been quite gainful for us, and we have been growing. In fact, Voltas, as far as air conditioners, we have been mainly largely into the air conditioning segment, and our growth has been more than 20% in this quarter as well. In fact, in both the quarters, growth has been more than 20%. So it's been quite a fabulous Diwali. And if you were to compare it with last 2-3 years, as you asked this, posed this question also, in fact, traction this time has been pretty good over last 2-3 years if we were to compare. In fact, last 2 years, Diwali was not so great. The sales as far as air conditioner business was concerned, and quite a few other consumer durable products were concerned. But this time it's been quite good, and traction has been quite healthy for us.
Okay, I want to get a comment from both of you on this. I'm going to start with you, Shantanu. We're seeing heavy discounts offered by e-tailers. So if you go onto a Flipkart, you'll get a 10% off, you'll get a discount coupon, a voucher, a cashback, etc. Has that impacted customers' walk-in into your stores?
No, the walk-ins have been very good. I mean, the momentum that we're seeing in sales is really because most of our sales, 95% plus, comes from brick and mortar stores, and the footfalls have been great over the last few days, and we expect it to continue. The discount issue is a real one. I mean, one can't deny it, but it's how you manage it with your partners. They are a channel; they're here to stay, and they will grow. I mean, their saliency is low now, but one expects that to grow in the years to come. Having said that, it's still a very, very small part of our overall sales. and these discounts we expect is only seasonal and won't be relevant throughout the year. But how we deal with them is really a matter between us and the channel, because pricing is a hygiene factor. You can't have huge disparity in pricing between one channel and the other. And we hope that things will stabilize after the festive season is over.
So, Mr. Bakshi, how are you managing this issue? Because the fact of the matter is that there is a huge disparity in pricing if you buy an air conditioner online versus coming to a store and buying it. How are you at Voltas managing that?
See, e-commerce, though it's quite an emerging channel, but in fact, if you look at it, it's at a nascent stage at this moment in our country. Still, even if people are going through sites, they would like to still go to the offline showrooms, in fact, and they would like to see the product, feel the product, and after that only they're deciding. Of course, as you said, is the kind of offers they've been making is quite challenging, in fact, and in fact, many of our retail partners are getting hurt in the process. But nevertheless, we have been able to strike a balance, in fact, by offering different products to these channel partners and being able to gain maximum mileage from all of them, in fact. So, and also, as you said, is a lot of consumer promos have been given by us for our channel partners, offline channel partners also. In Voltas, we have also given the offer whereby a customer can get some of the customers can absolutely get a AC free, and besides that, there are finance offers where customer doesn't have to pay any money upfront, and in fact, over next 12 months or 14 months or 16 months, they can pay up their installments, and through their installments, they can buy AC. Also, during this festival season, we have seen another change whereby, exchange offer has also clicked. We have offered exchange offer also for our customers. So we have been trying to woo our consumers through various offers, and so that they have been able to strike balance with e-commerce offers also.
Okay, final set of questions to both of you. Shantanu, is there more walk-in in, say, Tier 2, Tier 3 cities? Are there new first-time buyers of any of your white goods?
Lata, I checked this out with my colleagues in sales just to see what the kind of trends they're picking up now. It seems to me, from reports that have come in, is that this buoyancy that we're seeing in sales is large outlets, large towns, big format stores. So it does seem to suggest something that perhaps I've spoken to you about earlier, is that the real growth that will come in when first-time buyers, as you said, because we are in a highly unpenetrated business. When the first-time buyer comes in, that's when the real growth will come in.
Yes.
I think we are seeing the replacement market kicking in now, but when inflation subsides and when interest rates come down, when the whole economic situation, when there's more money in the in the wallet, that's when I think the real growth will sort of kick in.
Point taken. Mr. Bakshi, you want to add to that? First-time buyers still bulking?
Yeah, first-time buyers are also there as far as AC category is concerned. Almost 50% of the buyers, or more than 50% of the buyers, are first-time buyers, in fact, in this category. And of course, large format stores, retail stores, and also modern trade has been playing a very, very vital role in pushing the sales through their outlets, in fact. And we've been gaining, actually, the growth has been in both the sectors, but then largely, growth has come in from the large format stores and the big cities and big towns only so far in this year.
Fair point. We'll leave it at that. It was a pleasure speaking with both of you, and thank you for giving us the exact color of this Diwali.